Hi, in front of me is Asus Zenfone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this Asus. Start by opening settings and tapping on sound and vibration. Over here you have to scroll down and tap on the switcher. Over here, next to touch vibrations to turn them off or on. You can also click on also vibrate full calls and pick one of the options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on this option and go back. Then tap on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch feedback by swiping left or right. When you're done, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!